We hope your beach bags are ready. We're going on the ultimate beach vacation as Charlie Brown, Lucy, Snoopy, and JT present Snoopy's Dog Days of Summer.
Hey gang! Oh, hey there gang! It's time to head to the beach, cause you know, summer is not gonna last forever. And our friend Charlie Brown is going to join us. Hey Charlie! All of this just for our trip to the beach?
You don't understand, JT.
Is this all just Lucy stuff?
Good grief.
What?
I'm ready for the beach, but is the beach ready for me?
Oh, all right, you guys. Let's see what we can do about getting this stuff packed up.
Packing can wait. I've got to make my beach to-do list. Step 1, look fabulous. Check. Step 2, soak up the sun. My friend is Charlie Brown. His dog is named Snoopy. We pitched in for some gas, so now we're going to the beach.
Hey!
I brought my own beach towel. I brought my own boombox. I'm not getting too much sun. I'm putting on my sunblock. I'm gonna soak up the sun. I'm gonna tell everyone to lighten up. I'm gonna tell them that I've got no one to blame. For every time I feel lame, I'm looking up. I'm gonna soak up the sun.
Oh, Lucy, that's really great. But we can't soak up any sun unless we actually get to the beach.
Let's get all this gear into the car. Those waves aren't gonna surf themselves.
You said it, Charlie Brown. You can get packing. Alrighty, friends. How many of us have ever been to the beach before? Fantastic! Lots of our friends. Let's talk about some of our favorite parts. Does anyone like to play in the sand? Okay, a couple of our friends. Do you guys build sandcastles? Yeah, of course you do. Okay, what else is pretty fun about the beach? Duh, getting in the water. Who likes going for a swim? Oh yeah. Okay, so when you guys go swimming, do you just jump right into the water? Or do you test it out first? Maybe by dipping in your feet or your hands? What do you guys do? Are you jumpers or are you testers? Yes, let me hear you out loud. Ooh, okay, friends. I'm hearing a little bit of both today. Well, listen, Lucy does not like to jump in because she doesn't want to mess up her awesome hair. Now, what sort of animals could we find at the beach? What do we think, friend? Seagulls, only flying in the sky, what else? Crabs, of course, playing in the sand. What else, friends? Oh, that's okay. What do you think, friend? Starfish? Absolutely. Oh, whoa. Hey, Charlie Brown, you've got the car. Let's head to the beach. Come on, Lucy.
Hold on, JT.
Oh.
Who's driving us to the beach?
Only the coolest beagle on this side of Cedar Point Beach. The canine who took the breaker surf competition 3 years in a row.
Who?
The beach dog who put the sand in sandwich.
The canine kahuna. Snoopy. Say it after me, friends. Hey, Snoopy. Oh, Lucy, you got dog kisses. You ready to take the wheel, Snoopy? Awesome. Let's go.
Wait! Your dumb dog is driving us to the beach?
Of course. He can't surf until he gets there.
Next stop, Surf City, USA. Be careful, Snoopy. Hey, is this the right way? Whoa! Okay, maybe not. Oh, Snoopy, look! Whoa! Hey! Oh, Snoopy, that's our exit. Little dizzy. Sorry. Hey, friend. Come on, you take some deep breaths, all right? Hey, Lucy, you all right? Oh, sorry. Great driving, Snoopy. We made it. It's the beach.
I can't wait to build a sand castle and dip my toes in the water.
Hey, there's a surfing contest. It's Surfing USA.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be surfing like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Huarache sandals too, a bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You catch them surfing at Del Mar, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Chatsworth, Australia's Narrabeen.
competition. Isn't that for professionals only?
But does it say no dogs allowed?
Oh, nope.
Charlie Brown, what does your dumb dog think he's doing?
Looks like he's winning. Look at the size of that wave. Be careful, Snoopy.
He might be the greatest surfer ever. Alrighty, fans, we're gonna need your help. We have to do the wave to cheer Snoopy on. Count of 3. Our arms will go up and down. Let's start over here. 1, 2, 3. Wave! Awesome. One more time. We're going back. 1, 2, 3. Wave! Fantastic! Let's cheer Snoopy to victory! Go, Snoopy, go! Go, Snoopy, go!
And the winner of the Surfing USA contest is Snoopy!
Let's hear it for Snoopy.
First place!
Hooray!
How exquisite!
This has been the greatest day at the beach ever.
There's still time for a swim, though, right?
Oh, of course, Lucy. There is always time at the beach. Let's cheer for our friends, Charlie Brown, Lucy Van Pelt, and the world's #1 surfing beagle, Snoopy. I'm your host, JT. Thank you so much for heading to the beach with us. We hope you have a great rest of your day here at Cedar Point. And we'll catch you all when those waves are tubular. Thanks, friends. See you next time.